3, 2, 1.
From which part of the world do persimmons originate? The answer is A, China. Metals, fossil fuels, and water are all examples of what type of resource? The answer is C, natural resources. What type of fish is often canned in tomato sauce? The answer is C, sardine. What form of energy makes a compass needle point north? The answer is D, magnetic. What most likely happens to soil when crops are not rotated from year to year? The answer is A, the soil nutrients are depleted. What is the name of the alien species in Independence Day? The answer is D, Roswellians. Organic chemistry is the study of the chemistry of what? The answer is C, carbon compounds. Which vehicle is used to transport cargo between ships? The answer is D, tugboat. What is the tool used by tennis players to bounce and serve the ball called?
The answer is A, racket.
Who is known for developing the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator MBTI? The answer is B, Jung. Which famous 102-story skyscraper was designed by Shreve, Lamb, and Harmon and built in 1931? The answer is D, Empire State Building. Which of the following is found farthest from the center of an atom?
The answer is D, electron.
What occurs when some members of a species become geographically separated? The answer is D, allopatric speciation. What is the original hair color of Andromeda series character Bika? The answer is A, it is not known. What was the Cold War between these two superpowers? The answer is D, Soviet Union and United States. Bubba was the birth name of how many of these 8 athletes? Church, Crosby, Franks, Long, Trammell, Smith, Walton, Wells. The answer is C, 0. Rubbing sandpaper on a piece of wood produces what 2 types of energy? The answer is B, sound and heat. Which 2 systems of the body are interacting when a runner sprains his ankle? The answer is D, the muscular system and the nervous system. In the TV series Saved by the Bell, Jess's parents divorced and her mother remarried. What was the name of Jess's stepbrother? The answer is D, Eric. Who is the baseball player on the Brady Bunch who gave Greg tips about baseball playing? The answer is A. Don Drysdale. Irrigation can waste a lot of what natural resource?
The answer is C. Water.
What color is the dress worn by Marilyn Monroe when she sings Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend? The answer is C. Blue. Who rescues Dean from hell at the beginning of Season 4 of Supernatural? The answer is D. Castiel. The Mississippi River is border between which two countries? The answer is B. Canada and USA. Which tool should a student use to examine spots on a frog? The answer is B. Hand lens. Who broke Usain Bolt's 100m world record in 2021? The answer is A. Wade Van Niekerk. Which fruit is often associated with Christmas? The answer is C. Apple. Who wrote the Odyssey and the Iliad? The answer is C. Homer. What is a curler's stone called? The answer is A. Ice stone. Which athlete won gold in 100m, 200m, and 4x100 relay at the same Olympics? The answer is A. Usain Bolt. Who created the animated series Family Guy? The answer is C. Seth MacFarlane. After years of hard work, the Will Maston Trio featuring Sammy Davis Jr. officially made it big. At what famous nightclub did this momentous event occur? The answer is C. Ciro's. Blood pressure is significantly affected by what physical force? The answer is B. Gravity. Which feature best helps an animal defend itself from predators? The answer is D. Is skunk strong scent. The language Northern Min belongs to which language family? The answer is B. Sino-Tibetan. What's fast, loud, and wears a hat? The answer is A. Drummer. What did the U.S. government buy for the native Alaskans in 1891? The answer is B. The basis of their caribou herd. Which instrument is used in Indian classical music and has a long, cylindrical neck? The answer is B. Sitar. Which planet has the shortest day rotating on its axis? The answer is D. Mercury. What tool do you use to measure length? The answer is B. Ruler. The planet Jupiter orbits the Sun at an average distance of how many kilometers? The answer is C. 778 million. Virtually all of the effects of pregnancy can be attributed in some way to the influence of what? The answer is B. Hormones. Which of the animals digests cellulose with the aid of methanogens? The answer is D. Cows. What happened to the tropical coral reefs during the 1998 and 2004 El Niño weather phenomenons? The answer is D. Many of them were bleached or even killed. Many genetic disorders are caused by mutations in one or a few of. The answer is C. Genes. What is the hottest place on Earth? The answer is A. Death Valley. What is the name of the captain of the Axiom in the film Wall-E? The answer is B. Captain B. McCrea. What do you call any force that makes something move in a circle? The answer is D. Centripetal force. What do aquatic arthropods use to exchange gases? The answer is C. Gills. What type of dog did Richard Nixon receive from a Texan while he was a candidate for vice president?